founder, the chairman, Maharaj, Boni policy, one of the policy tini, our samung tangai tongo, abono, I respect, I honor, Boni baino tini ang bono khamrio, tai tini, je Tripura mothau pai join klainai, jatono ang ani khabai, jatono ang lamsogo. Tini oro manjakha tini TTADC ni Honorable Chairman, CM, tai tini Honorable Ministers, Barabara Tongo, joto MLA, MDC, EM, ex-MLA, ex-CM, ex-EM Batongo, tai Beroini, leaders, tai youth leaders, or public, district, nijato no angka kamribo. Ang sopsoi moitu ongjago, what was my career? Where I started my career, where I am today, my full happiness is still today. Today is lightning here. Tinioro, all life is joy. Abona is joy. There is the joy in my heart and mind. Bonibau tini, Taiwisa tini, Maharaj no Khamrio. Let God bless him richly. He should have long life and lead our people of Tripura so that we can visualize our heart and mind. This is Tripura. The people of Tripura rule for 1,000 years without break. Today we have to exhibit our reality, our existence to the world that we are united. In my whole life, till today, I am able to walk. Tini ang 80 plus ang itongka, ani young life na mo itongoy, ani 30 person ni life ay itabo buong jaga itong. Kaya singo, sini Honorable Chairman, sini one of the revolutionary spirited Borokpo, Takuk Jagadish Devarma, Botiuze so Tongoi, Jumbai Andun Kainai, Tayorone, Okra Chakra, Juda Patu Thanka, Bravo Tongo. Anis Kaisano experience. Jokunchung regional party Tongo, we feel we are deprived. We feel we are excluded. We are rejected. I know Bakau Zago. Kintu Klaitai, Chini Bakau Taibo, Kutuima Payo, Taibo satisfaction Payo. Jao, Amut Samun Klainai, the very service I will be rendering, which will have a fruit. The fruit is not only mine, the fruit is for all of us. Aboludi Narauni, a object of life. My young leaders, there are youth leaders, one thing I like to appeal, you must be very honest. Taikuno jagawo tatal ko masaya, ang jibono, abono kaisani, one of the additional strength I have been able to explore is truth. You shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. Kabui nung malay sinay, u kabui nung no, freedom dinay. Nung free onay. Opo ni bagay ang joto na makoyo. Ani simple life, ang height inipaya. Onek kisu chung dedicate kay nay namo. Tini naraw jodi dedicate kay mangklay. Chung bahay te ADC tup khaba. Just minute no ang kisa reference masanay Morarji Desai jokon Prime Minister ongo apuro ang North Eastern Regional Party Forum ni kopi yang ta ang Manipur thango Nagaland thango Mizoram thango Meghalaya apuro Meghalaya kerei Assam okay Regional Party for North Eastern nitongo tai Hills People Party tongo ABONO Meghalaya tu kabrao apuro Meghalaya kerei ko narao je young logs tini Shillong में थंगे नेका पोरा खलायो apuro u Shillong Meghalaya kerei ko abo Assam se undivided Assam apuro Governor House of Shillong ho angbo thangka jetu North Eastern Regional Party TUSS for Regional Party pa apuro tini nang tuluk abono realize mak lai ang Maharashtra na posaka apuro Nicole Soy tongo tai DDPU tongo Chief Minister Meghalaya Hoping Stone MP tongo Pierre Kindia abobo North Eastern Regional Party ni Secretary Mizoram ni Manipur ni MP tongo tai Mizoram ni Chief Minister Brigadier T. Saino bini Deputy Payo Morarji Desai no ang Malaipur no ang Chini Regional Party members of Saka. You must help me out. You know about Tripura. We are sinking. We have no future. We are sinking today, and we have been colored as communion. Chung communion long maya. Ani jati ni bagi ang kok saray. Ano communal color klaye ani bakano sikri bitongka. I never fear. Ang kriya. Apun bagay apuro Morarji Desai jokon at the time allowed like yes please tell me apuro ang kogno saw sir we are nowhere in Tripura our people in Tripura the Tripuris are going to be eliminated we will be soon landless on our own soil Chinihasakawo because of the influx of refugees from the then East Pakistan. East Pakistan Tongpuro Arani Burok Payo. Okay. Morarji Desai bo khub jolika. Bahaitai u platform North Eastern Regional Party Forum ni platform Tripura ni ko bhai kha. Ano khub kul khabo. Bude bulai nai nang nai ang bakhale thik khai kara ho nang ho le ang bisa ya ko hai khai to khata asab ko joli kha kintu loge Nicole Soy ni bupa bobo constituent committee ni member apro all India ni Ambedkar je committee Tongmani constitution member apro Nicole Soy ni bupa bo member. Okay, ako jokon saka apuro kisisa Morarji Desai kuloyong kata kisa noromong ka apuro ang kuna ni bakawa hisap kore tinino last few years ani bakawa bono strike ongo tama bagay Morarji Desai usak joli ka ba bo bini sitoy nungo abutay history bini background bini sitoy nungo ino bo usak joli ka na ro mahi kata ang bo sikla ba কিন্তু ang Brahman khaje apuro Bharat Samvidhan Tripura kroiko apuro Pradhan Mantri ongtung je kono cabinet minister ongtung Tripura gana Bharat Samvidhan ongyakho apuro Tripura a free sovereign state of Maharashtra chini Tripura je Rajani dynasty tongnai Brown or rule kaibon bagai Tripura ni map India kroiko Samvidhan abo habyakho apuni se nung one of the borok tini ketang mo gay nung aso rungyong nai nang nai ke ulo bo maneka je after merger ni ulo se Tripura ni bumung Bharat Samvidhano amendment khai hapka unke bo Pradhan Mantri ongi Bharat Samvidhano siway na bojoli kata tamang itripoli ko koro painay na boni bagay ang oroko kabangsa na ni Paya. I am happy tinije Maharaj ni netrite bo Tripura mota tabo bojoli tongmani abono na ragri na ni nangnay ebong every blessing tini botongo ani botongo je hama tongsa sini jati sini hani bagay samung tangani jeng samay tangoy habjak ini class 80 ani palo ba 84 85 ungui tongkai ni sawo kintu ani baba wale kapora rengya pa Saint Paul so pore puro ani the date of birth mani aro tongkong klai ang 80 besi lai maya ko hai puno aso bai na bro onek durbolo ngai thango narauni suriri mani bagai no ang waino ira jagai puno tini oro Bachamano. I thank God. I thank each one of you. Okay, je join kainai narau juda party ni juda jaga ni puno narau chungbai joto no kai thansa je narau tini regional party Tongjakka narau mo baksa tini tai bis narau tini je separate ongtu chung je kono ekta constitution na chung amend khai ri boy je Tripura ni bagai tai ko sa chung fan khai ekta different ekta challenge ekta new issue chung khai na ni narau bai ma chung together we will have to fight bol boy tini joto no tai bis kha briwo narau phai meni bai ang asolo sanai nango je narau no khonglai ani jeta 80 plus money. I'm still at the age of 40 and 50. So I believe it may be emotional, but still we can create a lot of new idea, lot of new things. Let us try to speak. Let us try to do anything without telling lies. Tadal saklai kintu we are climbing 2 steps. When I tell lies, I come down to 3 steps down. Nke bhai nung karay ba? Nung kok soy tumasanay, ninihan ni jati no nai nung tatal samayong nai, then in no time binding, nung achievement nung manay. Kasi nung saboy, ani ko oropay karaka, joto no hambay.